Hey everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of the Lemongrass Google Pixel 10 that just came on out. So again, this is Lemongrass. Should be a very cool green. Come back to the phone in just a second here. So USB-C to USB-C. A little bit of paperwork. That's all you get in these boxes these days. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. So those that do not know, here in the US, they no longer have a physical SIM card slot, no physical SIM. You only have eSIM. They're following the ways of Apple, and I am very disappointed in that myself. Right, here is the Lemongrass. It looks more yellow on the camera, it looks to be. It's like a nice yellow-green. Very, very cool color. Very nice looking phone. Like, this is a nice premium looking phone here. So we have power button, volume rocker. We have speakers. I'm not sure only one of them is an actual speaker though. USB-C. Nothing on the side since they removed that SIM, which is very annoying to me. Then also a mic right there. Of course, you have your camera and your camera visor here. That does not go all the way over though. Very cool color. This is a sweet color. This is a very different color. Love it. I really wish they did not remove that SIM slot. I hate having to deal with eSIM myself as somebody who switches phones quite often. Giant pain in the butt to deal with. You guys let me know what you think though. Very cool color, very nice looking phone. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.